So this is the fifth question related to POS key map simplification. So again, this is the POS expression given in terms of max term values. The max term values are 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 15. So we have the format of the POS key map with us. So directly we'll mark the respective cells which are given in the max term values. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. Okay, so now we'll form the groups. So here if you see 8, 9, 10 and 11 we can join to form a quad. Next 11 and 15 we can join to form a pair. 1 and 5 we can join to form a pair. 2 and 6 we can join to form a pair. So the grouping is done, all the marked cells have been grouped. Now we have to find the common set of variables. So for this pair involving cells 1 and 5, 0, 0, it is C or D bar, A or B, A or B bar. So the common variables on the horizontal side are A, the vertical side C or D bar. So it is A or C or D bar. Next is this pair involving cell 2 and 6. Okay, so it is C bar or D, the vertical component, the horizontal components A or B, A or B bar. Again, in the horizontal side these are the common variable, the vertical side this is the common variable. So it is A or C bar or D. Then this pair involving cells 11 and 15. So it would be, okay, so here this is the vertical component and the horizontal components are A bar or B bar, A bar or B. So the horizontal side A bar is common, the vertical this is common. So it is A bar or C bar or D bar. And then in this quad the horizontal component is A bar or B, and the vertical we have C or D, C or D bar, C bar or D bar, C bar or D. So you can see in the vertical side there is nothing common, the only common set of variables are A bar or B. So it is A bar or B here. So the simplified Boolean expression will be this, all of these combined. So it is simplified Boolean expression is A bar or B, A or C or D bar, A or C bar or D, and A bar or C bar or D bar. Okay, so this is the simplified Boolean expression. Okay, this. So this is the sixth question on POS K-map simplification. So here we have this expression given in terms of the max term values, the POS Boolean expression. So the max term values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 12 and 14. Okay, so as usual we will first map these values onto this POS K-map format, form the groups, identify the common variables, and then write the final simplified expression. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 12 and 14. Okay, so now we have to form the groups. So here cells 0, 1, 3, 2, we can form a quad here. Then cells 1, 3, 5, 7 we can join to form another quad, and then cells 2, 3, 6 and 7 we can combine to form third quad. Okay, then cells 12 and 14 we can form a pair. Sorry. So 12, 14 pair, then these three quads. So now we have to identify the common variables. So for this first quad, okay, the horizontal set of variables A or B, then this is C or D, C or D bar, C bar or D bar, C bar or D. So you can see the horizontal side has this common in all of the marked cells, whereas in the vertical side there is nothing common. No variable is common in all of the marked cells in this group, this quad. So here it is A or B, which is common from this group. Okay, so next group, which is this cells 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so horizontal components A or B, A or B bar, vertical components C or D bar, C bar or D bar. So in the horizontal side we have A as common, in the vertical side we have D bar as common. Okay, D bar as common. So here the common set of variables are A or D bar. Okay, now the third quad involving cells 2, 3, 6 and 7. Okay, the horizontal components again A or B, A or B bar. The vertical components are C bar or D bar, C bar or D. So here in the horizontal side we have A common, and the vertical side we have C bar common. So the common set of variables is A or C bar. Okay, now this pair involving cell 12 and 14. So it is 0 and 0 here. The horizontal component is A bar or B bar, and the vertical components are C or D, C bar or D. So in the horizontal side we have this whole A bar or B bar common, in the vertical side we have D common. So the common set of variable is A bar or B bar or D. Okay, So we have these common set of variables here. Now we have to just write them in this simplified format, combining them. So it is y is equal to a or b, a or d bar, a or c bar, and a bar or b bar or d. Okay, so this is the simplified Boolean expression. Okay, for this Boolean expression POS given in terms of max term values, this is the Boolean simplified Boolean expression in POS form, product of sums.